Welcome to Simple Daily English. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the most exciting day of my entire vacation. I am not on the beach today. I am in the middle of the big, blue ocean. Today, I am going on a yacht tour. And I am going to make two dreams come true. I want to swim with dolphins and try scuba diving for the first time. I wake up very early, at 6 a.m., because the boat leaves the harbor at sunrise. I pack my waterproof bag with my favorite swimsuit, a high-quality camera, and a large dry towel. I am so excited that I can only drink a small glass of orange juice for breakfast. At 8 a.m., I arrive at the harbor. I see a beautiful white yacht waiting for me. It is very big, very clean, and it looks like a house on the water. The captain smiles and says, "Welcome on board, Lily." I take off my shoes and walk on the warm wooden deck. It feels wonderful. The yacht starts to move slowly. The engine makes a deep noise, and the wind blows in my hair. I sit at the front of the boat and watch the mountains get smaller and smaller. The water changes from light green to a very deep, dark blue. It is absolutely beautiful. At 10 a.m., the captain suddenly shouts, "Look, over there." At 2 o'clock, I look at the water and I see a gray fin. Then another one. A group of 10 dolphins is swimming next to our yacht. They are jumping and playing in the waves created by the boat. The captain stops the engine. He says the water is safe and we can jump in. I put on my mask and my long fins. I jump into the water, splash. The water is cool and very clear. I look under the water, and I see 3 dolphins right below me. They are very close. They look at me with their small, kind eyes. One dolphin makes a loud clicking sound. It is a magical moment. I feel so happy I want to cry. At 12 p.m., we have a delicious lunch on the deck of the yacht. The crew cooks fresh grilled fish, pasta, and salad for everyone. We sit around a big table and talk about the dolphins. Everything tastes much better because we are in the middle of the sea. After lunch, it is time for my next big adventure, scuba diving. I am a little bit nervous because I have never breathed underwater before. A professional instructor helps me. He shows me all the equipment. He gives me a heavy oxygen tank, a regulator for my mouth, and a BCD, a special vest that helps me float. "Don't worry, Lily," he says. "Just breathe slowly through your mouth and follow my hand signals." We go down into the water very slowly. At first, I am scared, but then I see the coral reef. It is incredible. It looks like a garden under the sea. There are thousands of fish in every color you can imagine. Bright yellow, royal purple, neon orange, and striped blue. I see a small sea turtle eating green plants near the rocks. It is so quiet under the water. All I can hear is the sound of my own bubbles. I stay under the water for 30 minutes. It is the best experience of my life. At 3:30 p.m., I am back on the yacht. I am very tired, so I lie down on a comfortable sofa on the deck. I listen to the sound of the water hitting the side of the boat. I drink some cold water and eat a sweet apple. The sun feels warm on my skin. At 5 p.m., the yacht starts to return to the harbor. The sun is lower in the sky now, and the water looks like liquid gold. I feel very lucky to see the world under the sea today. I arrive back at my hotel at 7 p.m. I am exhausted, but I have a very big smile on my face. I take a warm shower and look at the photos on my camera. I want to show them to all of you right now. Friends, let's look at the new words from my ocean adventure. Yacht. A large, expensive boat used for fun, traveling, or tours. Dolphin. A very smart gray sea animal that is famous for being friendly to people. Diving. The activity of swimming deep under the water using a tank of air. Mask. A piece of equipment that covers your eyes and nose so you can see under the water. Fins. Long rubber shoes that you wear to help you swim fast like a fish. Coral reef. An underwater world made of colorful corals where many fish live. Let's practice. I hope you liked my story about the yacht and the dolphins. It was a day I will never forget. Friends, I want to hear about your dreams. Do you want to swim with dolphins? Or are you scared of the deep ocean? Do you prefer to stay on the boat and relax? Or do you want to dive and see the fish? Have you ever been on a yacht tour? Where did you go? Tell me in the comments. Writing your story in English is the best way for us to learn together. I read every comment you write. If you liked my ocean adventure, please give this video a like and share it with your friends who are also learning English. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We have many more stories and lessons for you. Thank you for watching and for practicing with me today. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next lesson.